Corrosion. It's a word that might not spark immediate concern, but it should. Hidden from plain sight, corrosion is a silent destroyer, relentlessly eating away at our modern world. It affects everything from bridges and skyscrapers to pipelines. Ignoring this threat can lead to catastrophic failures and environmental disasters. Imagine a world without bridges, pipelines, or skyscrapers. This is the future if we fail to address corrosion. Corrosion is a fundamental threat to our safety and economy. Even the most impressive feats of engineering are vulnerable. But there is hope. Ingenious methods like cathodic protection can combat corrosion. The true cost of corrosion extends far beyond rusted metal. It drains the global economy, consuming trillions annually. From repairs to environmental damage, corrosion impacts us all. Effective prevention strategies are urgently needed. Investing in prevention safeguards our environment and lives. To truly combat corrosion, we must first understand the science behind it. At its core, corrosion is an electrochemical process, a dance of electrons between different metals. Just like a river carving its path through rock, electrical currents flow between areas of differing electrical potential, leading to the gradual deterioration of the metal. This process is further accelerated by environmental factors such as moisture, salt, and pollutants, which act as electrolytes, facilitating the flow of these corrosive currents. Understanding this electrochemical process is crucial to developing effective mitigation strategies. By understanding the factors that influence corrosion rates, we can predict its progression and implement targeted solutions. This understanding paves the way for technologies like cathodic protection, which directly address the root cause of corrosion, the flow of electrons. Section 4. Cathodic protection, an invisible shield against corrosion. Cathodic protection is a proactive solution against corrosion, leveraging electrochemistry to protect infrastructure. It transforms structures from anodes to cathodes, preventing corrosion. A sacrificial anode corrodes instead, protecting the structure. Like a bodyguard taking a bullet, it ensures infrastructure longevity. Section 5. Implementing the shield, safeguarding our future. Implementing cathodic protection is an investment in the future. It involves a comprehensive approach, from the initial assessment of the structure to the selection of the appropriate system and its careful installation. The process begins with a thorough evaluation of the structure, identifying areas susceptible to corrosion. Next, engineers carefully select the type of cathodic protection system best suited for the application, considering factors such as the size and type of structure, the surrounding environment, and the desired lifespan. Once installed, cathodic protection systems work continuously and silently, providing an invisible shield against the relentless onslaught of corrosion. This proactive approach not only protects our infrastructure but also saves significant costs associated with reactive repairs and replacements. Section 6. Maintaining the shield monitoring and interference mitigation. Installing a cathodic protection system is just the beginning. Continuous monitoring and maintenance are crucial for long-term effectiveness. Regular checks ensure optimal functioning. Monitoring involves measuring electrical potentials to assess performance. Interference from stray currents can disrupt the system. Mitigating interference is essential. This may involve installing insulating joints or adjusting the system. Proactive measures ensure system effectiveness and infrastructure safety. Section 7. A future fortified cathodic protection in a changing world. As we venture further into the 21st century, the demands placed upon our infrastructure continue to grow. Climate change is leading to more extreme weather events, increasing the risk of corrosion. Our reliance on complex systems, from energy grids to transportation networks, is only intensifying. In this evolving landscape, cathodic protection emerges not just as a solution, but as an absolute necessity. It represents a critical line of defense in protecting our investments, preserving our environment, and ensuring the safety of our communities. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. By embracing innovative solutions like cathodic protection, we can face the challenges of tomorrow with confidence, knowing that we have the tools to build a more resilient and sustainable future.